I really wanted to click while in armor drill, but no, maybe just choke him a little bit.
Good luck, ships. Your time starts now.
Oh, wow. Tell you, I'm full. Full. Alright, I'm gonna get that anytime I go, I'm gonna get it.
Actually, I was never a child. I was born in this age. I pretty much hated all of them as a kid. Around the age of 14, my mother told me that we're going
Oh,
fishing.
wow.
Thought of eating raw fish was the most horrific sound.
It has been an incredibly long time.
Offensive as I had imagined.
What's
Kind of
been
opened the
a long
door.
time?
I'm making a teriyaki chicken meatball with cauliflower foam. This is a great way to hide it.
As for the bright side, Dabura has finally come back, along with one of Resurrection F's best transformations, Golden Frieza. Starting tonight, we're gonna draw the Patara fusion based on both of these amazing heroes.
Cooking with your children is probably one of the most important things you can do. You show them how to peel potatoes and carrots and cut vegetables and introduce them to new foods. Meat's one of those ingredients that adults don't like. So I'm gonna try to take
Getting back to
the
these,
kids to
they don't,
like and present in a way that they're
they do away with that Article 42, they took like 18,000 people course of the day. Now,
Yeah, El Paso can't handle that. They got people sleeping on the street in El Paso.
they had pictures of the airport, they're laying right next to one another.
Yeah.
I says, now you get a Democrat congressman or senator, whatever. One on one, what are you trying to do here? Look at this. And who's picking the tab up?
We are.
We're picking this tab up.
Yeah. They're sneaking across the border. We're letting them in. We're giving them free medicals. We're giving them welfare. We're giving them housing. Who's paying for it? We are. You got millions of Americans with no medical, and you're giving these fucking people medical.
Then this idiot mayor we have in New York, he wants to sue the governor of Texas. You sued the wrong guy, you asshole.
Yep.
Sue the goddamn president to allow this.
Yep.
Here are the fists for Golden Dabura. Yeah, that's what I'm naming him.
I think I'm kidding. Kids in general. It's not my thing. Dogs are easier.
Who the hell knows?
Ask
This governor.
what would happen after Golden Frieza entrusted Dabura with his golden capabilities. That'd be one of the greatest fusions in history.
All of a sudden he's losing? It's over and over again. The win. Okay, that's
That is for after Zeno were to recreate another Tournament of Power, Tournament of Infinity, as it was renamed. I'm talking about what year the next Tournament of Power will be if Zeno decides to launch another one. Here's his fist. Here is Dabura's pants. And lastly, the last pair of clothes that he actually wears. It's been a while since we've seen Dabura in action, but hey, look on the bright side, here he is, debuting his first premiere this holiday special. Anyhow, there he is. That's how you draw Golden Dabura. Well, Golden Frieza Dabura Fusion. That's what it's really named. And for the sprite side, there will be more. I don't know when the next battle for Golden Frieza. I don't know after Golden Frieza will show up again. Maybe one of these days he'll show up.
He left because he was afraid of being
Who knows what other forms he'll achieve.
Freezing.
Yeah.
When
And I don't know when we're gonna see
interview him a year ago for the full hour.
Dabura again in the show. Perhaps Goku will visit the afterlife, the heavens, and visit Dabura in heaven and recruit him for the next tournament of power. That'd be a great idea.
Yeah. So he,
This is my message to you all, telling you all, I miss you all, and good night.
Once he realized